Somebody has good eyes. It looks like a barred owl to me, I'm pretty sure. So when the monkeys boarded the boats, if you didn't have a tight grip on your camera, or your purse, or your sunglasses, it would end up back on the island with the monkeys. They had quite a stash. So that in 1989, when the state took over the park, they felt it necessary to relocate the monkeys. I wasn't here in '89 when this occurred. I can only pass along what I was told. They gave all the monkeys 10 minutes of training. They put them in blue shirts, and they now drive the boats. You folks in the front, you don't believe that story, do you?
Yeah.
You don't believe that. No.
Oh, look at him.
Nobody ever saw a monkey driving a boat.
Oh, look, there's a monkey.